A very good morning, students. It's maths time, and today we will start a new topic, addition. Yesterday I sent you the PDF of chapter 1. Hope you are clear with every concept taught to you. If still there is any query, any doubt, you may ask me personally. Now we are starting with addition, and today let's recapitulate what you have learnt in class 1. Okay? So we will be revising addition, what you have done till now. As you can see, I have written few sums on here. This is ones place and this is tens place. It's 4 and 3. So how we are going to do it? We need to add them. That means what we need to keep in mind is the bigger number 4, that we will keep in mind. And then we need to do forward counting in our mind. And how many times we will do that forward counting is 3 times. So 4 plus 3 will give you how much? You can do like this, that you can take your 3 fingers up as well. And in one finger we do have 3 blocks here. So you can use any of the method or you can directly do in your mind as well. If I say 4 in my mind and 3 forward I need to move, then 5, 6 and 7. So my answer will be 7. My answer will be 7. Then I will move to the tens place, 2 in the mind and 1 finger up, or you can count with blocks as well. Whatever the method you find it easy, you can use that. 2 in the mind and 1. Only 1 you need to move forward. So after 2, what comes next? 3. What comes next? It's 3. So we will write 3 here. So this was the way of doing the addition sum. Let's move to the further one. 6 in the mind and 2 fingers up. Then after 6 you need to move 2 times further. After 6 which number comes? 7, and after 7 which number comes? 8. So we will write 8 here. Okay, this was the method of doing at ones place. We always start addition or subtraction or any of the thing we are doing, any of the operation, we always starts from ones place. Which place? Ones place. Then 4 in the mind and 4 fingers up, or you can use the blocks as well. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have moved towards the 4 blocks and 4 I kept in mind also. So what is my answer now? 8. So here we are done with the 2 questions. I hope they are clear to you. Let's move further. At ones place 5 is written and here it is written 0. And as you know, 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. So the number will remain as it is. The number will remain as it is. So my answer will be 5. My answer will be 5. Now 4 in the mind and 5 blocks you need to move further. Firstly check how many blocks. 5 blocks. 3 are there in one finger. So 2 more you need to count. After 4 you will start. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here we are done. So what is the answer? 9. You can use blocks or the fingers. Whatever you find easy. Now let's do the another one. At ones place we have 9 and here we have 6. There are 3 blocks in one finger. So we will be using 2 fingers for number 6. And we have kept the number 9 in our mind. So let's move further. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and here comes 15. So I will write 15. How I will write 15? 5 here and 1 will be carried over. 1 will be carried over. Now what we need to do is 1 in mind, 2 blocks for this. 2 blocks and 1 for this carry, that means 3 blocks. So after 1 I need to move 3 blocks. What will come after 1? 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 4. We always take one more block extra for this carry. Let's do one more. Here we have 5 and 8 in the ones place. Children, it is totally up to you. Either you can take in mind number 5, or if you find it easier to take the bigger number in mind, then you will take 8 in mind. So I am suggesting you to keep the number 8 in mind and 5 blocks afterwards. Okay. So after 8 you need to start 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we get 13. So I will write 3 here and 1 is carried over. Now what to keep in mind? 2. What to keep in mind? 2. And how many blocks you will move further? 1 for this, 1 for this. So 1 and 1. 2 blocks you need to move further. 2 in the mind. After 2 we start 3, 4. So our answer is 4. So this is addition, and we have done addition at ones place and tens place. So you need to do 5 sums of this and get your notebooks clicked and show me the pics. Send it to me personally, but the formation should be very, very nice. See you in the next video.